Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness with 5 surprising diabetes-friendly foods that do not spike blood sugar levels. Once you are diagnosed with diabetes, your doctor will prescribe changes in your diet. You'll find that many of the foods you normally eat, both enjoyable healthy foods and enjoyable unhealthy foods, will suddenly be placed on your do not eat list. The good news is that there are foods assumed to be off limits that are not only healthy for you, but many are your favorite menu items. These supposedly off-limit foods do not negatively impact on glucose levels to the extent that people think. The following list of 5 surprising diabetes-friendly foods most definitely have the go-ahead to be included in your diabetes-friendly menu now. Number 1. It's always been thought that carrots are loaded with sugar and a dangerous no-no for diabetics. This is a common misconception, which is simply not true. Carrots, as well as nutrient-dense broccoli and lettuce, are non-starchy vegetables and safe for people with diabetes and will not promote high glucose level spiking. In addition, glucose from carrots eaten raw are absorbed more slowly than cooked carrots. When you cook vegetables, the carbohydrates become more available faster, so sticking with raw will have a more minimal impact on blood sugar. Number 2, sweet potatoes allow diabetics to enjoy potatoes without worrying about glucose spikes. Researchers find that the low glycemic index of sweet potatoes plays a major role in stabilizing and lowering blood sugar. The glycemic index is a scale that shows the impact a food has on blood sugar levels. Foods low on the scale break down more slowly in the body, which may produce fewer fluctuations in blood glucose and insulin levels. For the least impact on blood glucose levels, enjoy sweet potatoes with the skin on it or in their raw form, which lowers the glycemic impact. Interestingly, the addition of a dash of cinnamon not only adds flavor, but further assists with blood sugar control. Number 3, a review of dairy products find that various products impact on blood sugar level very differently. Pure cottage cheese, interestingly, has much less carbs than milk and much less than yogurt. Why is this such a terrific addition to a snack or meal? Because low-fat cottage cheese is high in protein and low in carbohydrates. When shopping at the supermarket, review labels carefully. You want to select a cottage cheese product with no carbohydrate-containing additives. Choose a variety with pure, simple ingredients. Certain brands add these carbohydrate additives, which can lead to a spike in blood sugar levels. Cottage cheese is a wholesome food, so no extra carbohydrates are needed. Number 4, strawberries are a diabetes superfood. Many diabetics think that strawberries have more sugar than other fruits like crisp apples and juicy sweet oranges and other fruits, but this simply is not true. Strawberries have approximately 7 grams of sugar per cup, which is the lowest amount of sugar compared to most popular fruits. If you have a sweet tooth, strawberries are the best low-calorie fruit selection. Researchers find that eating strawberries actually help our bodies use insulin better, which lowers the amount of insulin needed to manage blood sugar after eating. Number 5, when you think of yogurt, you may wonder about all the concerns related to hidden sugars. Plain yogurt is always the smart choice because it keeps blood sugar levels under control, while some flavored varieties have super high sugar counts. The natural state of yogurt is high-quality carbohydrates and high-quality protein. Yogurt is an excellent food choice to slow down and prevent blood sugar spikes. Research finds that yogurt, which is a high calcium-rich food, helps reduce the type 2 diabetes risk. When selecting yogurt in the supermarket, be diligent in identifying varieties with added sugars. If you consider plain Greek yogurt, you'll have a low-fat product with extra protein and no added sugars. If you're looking for added flavor without the added sugar, add sliced whole fruit to your yogurt. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you find this information useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, post or share and comment so I can have your opinion and feedback. Share with your friends and family and repost on your social media accounts. Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness channel posts videos 2 to 3 times a week, so please don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll know when future videos are posted. Here are some additional video suggestions you may like from my channel. You may want to check out top 10 diabetes-friendly foods to control your blood sugar. Just click on the video here to play now. Thanks again. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.